Hey guys, it's Justin with Shock Therapy, and we're going to talk toe links on the new Polaris Pro R and Turbo R. The factory toe link on the rear suspension adjusts your toe in the rear hub and tire assembly. Some of the weaknesses in this unit are the thin factory tubing and mild steel. This allows the tire to deflect inward and outward, which will change toe if you drive it hard. The other issue with the factory toe link is the adjustable cam lock. This adjustment allows you to change the toe in the rear. The problem is that it moves if you hit it hard enough while driving your UTV. These have actually been something that the off-road racing industry has gotten away from 20 years ago and should never have been on the Pro R. So after thousands of miles of testing in our Pro R, we have the fix for the factory toe link. The Shock Therapy toe link starts with 1¼ inch 120 wall chromoly tubing. That is more than enough to stop all deflection in the rear toe settings. Our threaded spuds are rosette welded, which is the extra step that most others do not take. The rear clevis on our toe link is built from one piece of billet 4340 material to give you the most strength possible in the smallest amount of space. The adjustment in this toe link is a jam nut tie rod style adjustment so that you can run the toe in and out on the vehicle. 3/4 inch rod ends with stainless spacers and Teflon liners are the strongest made in the industry. With all of these key features, our toe link outpaces every other on the market.